Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to withdraw Chainlink, that's Link, from your Trust Wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this guide is for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through every step to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and MetaMask set up on your device. You'll need some Chainlink tokens in your Trust Wallet, and MetaMask should be connected to the same blockchain network, like Ethereum. Double-check that everything is updated to the latest version for 2025 security standards. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Chainlink token. Find it in your wallet dashboard or search for Link. Once you select it, hit the Send button. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. You'll need to enter the recipient address. Switch over to MetaMask, click on your account, and copy your wallet address. Paste that into the "to" field in Trust Wallet. Don't forget to double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto is unforgiving. Step 3. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Make sure you leave enough for any network fees, which might be around 0.01 ETH depending on the current gas prices in 2025. Review the transaction details, and if everything looks good, confirm the send. After that, sit tight. The transaction should process in a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your Chainlink tokens there. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to keep things secure, and never share your private keys. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.